Tradezero versus interactive brokers. Ladies and gentlemen, which broker is the better broker to use? Overall, I'm going to be talking about specifically short selling, shorting stocks. Both brokers have their pros and their cons, but I will be showing right now on the screen proof of me actually using Tradezero all the way back in 2019, as well as me actually withdrawing money and the money hitting in my bank account and me taking it out as cash in the form of a withdrawal, basically just to prove that Tradezero is legit. I've been actually, depositing and withdrawing more than I've been putting in my account every single year, year to year, for over 3 years, coming on almost 4 years. I like both brokers. I have used both brokers for many, many years. I've been trading with Tradezero for over 3 years now, almost around 4 years total, and I've been with interactive brokers for 2 years. Is Tradezero legit? As of right now, yes, but you have to keep in mind, Tradezero is a Bahamas broker. Their money is not insured. They are not located inside the US of A. Now, I am using us.trader.co, basically the United States portion of their brokerage, but it actually did originate and their main, hub is actually in the Bahamas. Now, with that being said, have I ever had any problems withdrawing money from Tradezero? No, I've had multiple withdrawals for more than double what I've actually put into the broker, and they've all went perfectly fine. But with that being said, do so at your own discretion. Do not put all your life savings in this. And you never know what can happen 3, 6 months, even a year possibly in the future. It's never really, 100% guaranteed with these, not regulated and not inside the US Bahamas brokers. Now, with all that being said, with disclaimers out the way, the number one thing I do like about Tradezero is they always have shares available to short. 99% of the time, literally almost every single time I want to short a stock, doesn't matter the price, the flow, how much has gone up, they always have shorts. Yes, they do charge you a fee, a big fee, a hefty fee, but Tradezero has one on the record and has confirmed and admitted that they make a bulk of their actual money charging you those fees to short shares, but that's fine. If I have to pay $50 to short and reserve those shares, if I can make $250, that $200 difference after the fees is my profit, I'll take $200 a day. Now, why do I have both interactive brokers and Tradezero? Basically, I'm not going to put a bulk of my money in Tradezero. You have to have $2,500 to open the account. I put around $3,000, $3,500. Every single time I double or triple my money, I make $2 or $3 grand, I withdraw it, right? So if anything ever does happen, I got my initial money out, I have profits out, and the only thing I'm risking is that $2,500 to $3 grand. Why do I do this? Because interactive brokers are a lot safer. They are, money is guaranteed, SIPC. It is, American brokerage license. Basically, they uphold to all the, regulations, rules and regulations of the United States brokerage, Wall Street, whatever it may be. Basically, all the US laws, your money is insured and it's a lot less risky. Same thing with M1 Finance. But if we're being 100% honest, I want to be upfront, frank, and honest with you. Interactive brokers has about 70 to 75% of all the stocks and shares I want to short, whereas, Tradezero has 99%. I want to say at least 90 to 99% of all the shares. Every time I want to short a stock, they have shares available. They can locate it for a fee on Tradezero. If I want to use a bigger position, I use my main broker, Interactive Brokers. Not only that, the actual fee to actually borrow the shares is much, much cheaper on Interactive Brokers. But if actually you want to just, take higher risk and you have, leverage and margin 2 times your money on Tradezero. Now, with that out the way, let's get into the actual, stocks, the pricing. Basically, trade free with Tradezero. If you use limit orders and you actually add volume and add, liquidity to the market, it's free. And I do mean free. You don't pay anything, no fees. If you buy 100 and you sell 100, it is free. Same thing with options, $0 per contract, 0 cents per contract. Options contract fee is literally 25 cents. It's not that bad. It's not really expensive. Worst case, if you do, let's say, very, very cheap, let's say you do, let's say 4 options, you're paying roughly $1, $1.10 for, to basically borrow 400 shares. And then you have other fees. Let's get into those other fees. We have right here trading softwares. What do I mean by that? Ideally, you want to use Zero Pro, right? That's their overall, best, software to use when trading. But I have to be 100% honest with you. If you use a Mac like I do, iOS, they do not have Zero Pro. That means you have to use Zero Web. Zero Web is a more basic version of Zero Pro, but again, it is good enough. Zero Free is 100% kind of not good. I would not use this to short. I would literally just use this, if I absolutely had to, just buying to go long, because shorting, as you know, is very, very risky. With that being said, let's get to the fees, right? For these platforms, Zero Pro, if you are on Windows, the most ideal one, $59. If you have a Mac, you're gonna be using Zero Pro, what I use, again, $59, includes both. It has most of everything you want. In my personal opinion, I do use Thinkorswim for my charting because I do believe Thinkorswim has the best charting, the best watch list, the best alerts, and any other, brokerage. Ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much it. Do I use Tradezero? Yes. Do I use interactive brokers? Yes. Which one is better, right? Interactive brokers are a lot safer. Interactive brokers have lower fees, and you have peace of mind with interactive brokers. Overall, it is, a B plus brokerage. B plus, no risk, peace of mind, very, very good. When it comes to shorting, I have to stress that when it comes to shorting. Tradezero, when it comes to shorting, it is an A plus. But again, you have to be very, weary. You can't have peace of mind with these offshore Bahamas brokerage. How many of you guys remember SureTrader back in the day, 2015, 2014? I used to use SureTrader. I had a debit card, all of that. SureTrader, actually got a cease and desist. And SureTrader is no longer an actual, brokerage. The same thing can happen with Tradezero, potentially, allegedly. With that being said, my name is Average Tuber. I post daily investing videos. Hit that like. I'm picking one person who hits that like. Leave a comment. I'm giving away $100. All I ask is video hits 100 likes. And if you happen to have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will go like, heart, and answer any questions, every single question. Thank you guys so much. New videos every single day. I want to teach you how to invest, how to build wealth, how to make money so your money can make you money. Please do me a favor, hit that like button. I'm giving away $100. And please share this on your social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Giving away free money. I want to help teach people how to educate, entertain, and inform. I want everyone to build wealth. Thank you guys so much. Like I said, if you have any questions, leave them below. I will answer every question. Thank you so much. With that being said, have a great day. Peace.